Then our next command is cut. So click on new, select a model, click on OK. Interface is ready. So just firstly we will make a extrude, because cut is depend on the body. So just similar, make it, select a plane and just sketch something. So here I am going to sketch a rectangular box, and then click on the OK, click on finish, and now we will give a particular dimensions for the height, and this is a rectangular box ready as the previous one. Then the main command will be start now. You see the box, then now I have to use the hole. So for hole wizard, the body should must. So firstly draw a body and then go for the hole wizard. Now here is a select the body. Okay, so just click on the body, so automatically it will select a body, and then particular point I have to fix where we want to the hole. Okay, so just particular point, you may see here the body already given the three planes. Once we selected the three planes XYZ, all three planes are the appear. So in that particular planes, which is the already written sketch, this is the selected plane. So on the selected plane we will take a particular point and where we have to make a hole. So click on the just home, you will see the everything is disappear. So we will click here the OK. Once we click the OK, it is appearing like 2D. But dear friends, always mentions the 2D appearing means when the top view or any particular view on the rectangular plane, so it will appear 2D. So that's why, that means for designers have a observing capacity. So for a rectangular box, if you will see from the top or bottom or any side in 2D, then it will appear like a 2D. So on particular planes, just draw a circles, give the dimensions, means what you want, the just when you will rotate, then you will feel okay, this much height and this particular shape is going to make a hole. So the radius and depth of the hole we can change, as we already selected a circular holes. The any shape kind of the hole we can make. So here is so many things. So if I am adjusting this one in the different plane, okay, but appearing here in different plane, but the hole will be in same plane, because initially what plane was selected, only that will impact that plane. So you may see, okay, here three holes, three cutout is appearings. Okay, this all is what in a body. So for if you want to use the hole command, then firstly you have to make a 3D body and then hole command can be used. So similar, you may make any different holes. Now again I am giving a different shape of the holes. There is a two types of the hole is given here, ISO and ANSI. So in India generally ISO standard is valid. ISO standard means you can consider the like M2 screw, M3 screw, M2.5. Also here the drill size is given. So mechanical engineer will know the drill size. So when you have to run this tools or run this particular designs on a CNC or BNC or anywhere the machines, then you have to give a proper dimensions for the tools, either the drills. So easily operator will use that drill bit and make a particular holes. So here is only modules, but for practical things, the practical things operator will use only that drill which you will given in your drawings or the design. So that's why many things is here. Later we will learn the detailed things. Now I am just taking M2 2.2 is a hole, but this is very thin and small, so it will difficult to identify. That's why I will select a scroll just and I select the 20 dia for the holes, and height also preferable. Now you may see this is our new holes. Okay, so similar, the hole wizard can be used anywhere for any shape. Okay friends, I hope you like this.